Okay, I'm going to make chicken taquitos today. Then we're going to fry them. So they're going to be very good. Let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, I'm starting out with 6 ounces of cream cheese. And got 8 ounces of green chilies. Mine are mild. I'm a wuss. Everyone knows that. Gonna mix this up just a little bit. They're real simple. Very, 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 very simple. Okay. I have 5 cups of chopped chicken. I didn't shred it, I chopped it. You can shred it if you want to. To this, I'm going to mix a little bit with the cream cheese and the green chilies. By the way, that was 8 ounces of green chilies. Now, this is chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Or, instead of this, you can do a 1/4 cup of regular taco seasoning. And next will be, I just want to get the seasonings mixed well. Next will be 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese. This is supposed to make about 20 taquitos. Great for game day, great for any day, especially if you serve them with guacamole, queso, sour cream, salsa. Now I'll begin making the taquitos, rolling them up. You can use flour or corn. The recipe suggests flour because they're easier, but I have my local store, we have H-E-B's, has a mix of corn and flour, which is really easy to work with, and I really like them. About 1/3 cup in each one, and I'm going to roll them up tightly. Place them flat side down on your sheet pan. I'm placing wet paper towels over them to keep them from drying out. And if you want to save them for later, you could cover that in foil and put it in the refrigerator for the next day. All right, so I'm heating the oil. I've only got about an inch of oil in this cast iron skillet. And I want the oil to be about 375. And I'll do 4 or 5 at a time. I just started the oil. Right now we're at 165. We got a ways to go. I've chosen not to put a toothpick in it and to put them flat side down, and that will set them. But you got to be careful. Be very careful. Don't get your fingers on that grease. Now I'm going to take them out and I'm going to place them seam side down. Repeat this process until they're all fried. Crispy chicken taquitos. These taquitos are different from your normal cigar-sized taquitos. They are fat, stuffed with 1/3 cup of chicken mix each. I wrap these with a corn flour tortilla, which I prefer, but you can use just flour or corn. I used a skillet. You could also deep fry them, but you will need to put a toothpick in each one to keep them together if you deep fry. They would be a great appetizer for game day or really any time. We had them for lunch and gave the rest to our neighbors. So there you go. Give them a try soon and please let me know what you think. The recipe is on my website, darlenestable.com. That's it for now. Remember to like and subscribe and come back to see what's cooking on Darlene's Table.